According to scientists, you may have a second brain. And the exact location of your second brain might surprise you. Or maybe it won't. Welcome back to I.O., where we overload you with information you didn't even know you needed to know. I'm your host, Charlotte Dobre, and I'm here to tell you that you have two brains. Yes, you. Specifically you. And pretty much every other human and mammal on Earth. That is according to scientists at Flinders University in Australia. Alright, so your second brain is not like a literal brain. Well, kind of. Your second brain is a separate section of millions of neurons that control movements without any help from your central nervous system. Which is why scientists are calling it your second brain. And where is this second brain? It's in your butt! Your butt has brain cells. They live in your colon/large intestine, and they are very important. Without them, we would die. Yet we don't really appreciate them or really even understand them. These neurons are responsible for pushing poop out of your body in the right direction at a steady pace. If they didn't do your job, it would be weird. Neurons in your butt fire to contract the muscles surrounding parts of the colon, expelling the waste within your body. The second brain is what scientists call your enteric nervous system, and apparently it's actually pretty smart. Experts aren't sure exactly how smart yet. It definitely can't solve a math problem or write a piece of music. That would be weird. But according to a new study that was published in the journal J Neurosci, it's pretty smart for an intestine. Every time you sit on the toilet, your butt brain is at work. Hey guys, at least we know for sure that at least one of your brains works every day, am I right? Or maybe it doesn't. What do I know? Maybe you don't get enough fiber in your diet. To make things a little more interesting, it's believed that your enteric nervous system evolved first, before the central nervous system. Mammals had to push poop out of their bodies before they evolved to be more complex. So it's actually more like your first brain is your butt brain and your second brain is your brain, at least when we're talking about evolution. This study is actually pretty groundbreaking. Before it, no one really knew exactly how the large population of neurons in the enteric nervous system led to the contraction of the intestine. Cool stuff, guys. It's time to respond to some comments. Grape Shape said, Charlotte, you make me smile. Oh, stop it. You. Emilio Rivera said, if you don't respond, you're not a true potato. I feel like you clickbaited me with your comment. Well played. P-Man Paz said, I wish I could get featured, Lord knows I've tried. PS is the only place I get my news. Sorry I haven't seen your comment, I really wish I could feature everyone. I also noticed that I do feature a lot of you and you don't see it because you don't watch the specific video. So make sure you watch every I.O. video from the last 2 years to see if you've been featured, and then complain about not being featured. Just a thought. The video is over and thanks for watching. I've got a favor to ask. Smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. If you want to stay on this channel, there's a playlist for you that's right over here. We are also on social media, make sure you check out the description of this video for all of our links. That's it for me, see you in another video.